Understanding the Varna system. Class 12 Sociology/History explained. Did you know the Varna system wasn't originally about birth, but about duties and qualities? Let's decode the truth behind India's ancient Varna system in just 2 minutes. The term Varna comes from the Sanskrit word meaning to classify. In the Rigveda, one of the oldest Indian texts, 4 Varnas are mentioned: Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaisyas, and Shudras. Brahmins were the teachers, priests, and scholars, the knowledge keepers of society. Kshatriyas took the role of warriors and rulers, responsible for protection and governance. Vaisyas were traders and agriculturists, driving commerce and farming in the community. And Shudras, who were service providers and artisans, supporting society through skilled labor. Originally, this system was based on your qualities, guna, and your work, karma, rather than your birth. Pretty different from what many think, right? But as time passed, this flexible system became rigid and hereditary. The rise of jati or caste led to social divisions and discrimination. Unfortunately, this meant many, especially Shudras and untouchables, faced unfair treatment for centuries. Thankfully, today the Indian Constitution abolishes untouchability and upholds equality for all. Understanding the Varna system helps you see how social structures can change, and why fairness truly matters in society. So, the Varna system itself wasn't wrong in intent, but its misuse caused inequality, something we must never repeat. Let's take these lessons from history and build a future that's fair and equal for everyone. Did this help you revise? Type yes in the comments and share this video with your classmates to spread the knowledge. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more clear, quick concepts perfect for your Class 12 syllabus.